Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make color motion shift intro in Filmora 9. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and import your logo and music. I already import my files. Go to media and go sample colors and select a color and drag it into timeline. Then go to titles and add default title and double click on this and go to advanced. Then type your text and change font and adjust size. Then add a new text layer and type your text and adjust size. Apply same process in every layers. Then select last 3 layers and adjust text like this. Then go to animation and select fast text and add down the insert animation. Then select last 3 layers and select up direction insert animation. Then adjust animation speed like this. Then change text position like this.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
Now check preview.
So I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Then add logo into timeline where text animation end. Adjust logo size and position like this. Then double click on logo and go motion and select boom motion. Then go to titles again and add default title. Type your channel name and go advanced and adjust text style and position. Then go to animation and select up direction insert and adjust animation speed. Now the final part, color shifting. Split your color where text animation end and delete rest part and add different color in same position.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find
Apply same process in every video.
Baby, but you know I never will.
Then go to transition and add fade grayscale transition in every cut of video.
Oh yeah.
Double click on transition and set duration around 8 frames and click apply to all. Now check the preview. Nice, but you can add a intro music for better experience. Now export your final project. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorials.